Good morning, everybody. This is Candy Foster from Your Health Candy. I am a health coach, a personal chef, and a doTERRA wellness advocate, and I love to cook with my essential oils. Today, we're going to do a couple of recipes with our Slim Sassy V-shake, or our vegan shake. I love this stuff. This is so yummy. I know it's really hard to find a good plant-based protein that tastes good. This one's really, really good. And it doesn't have that chalky kind of texture to it. It's really awesome. So to start off, I want to make sure that I let you know, I love cooking with my oils, but just want everybody to know, I only cook with doTERRA essential oils because doTERRA has their CPTG standard, which is certified potent therapeutic grade. So it means, what that means is we can trust that it's okay for us to ingest and it's not going to harm us, and in fact it's going to help us. It's going to help us at a cellular level, and that's what the point is. So we're going to start today, we're going to do a power bar, like a protein bar, snack bar, and we're going to do a smoothie bowl. I just got back from my morning walk, and I got my little gloves I'm getting on. And I got back from my little walk this morning, saw all my little wildlife on my nice little walk, and I'm ready for breakfast. So we're gonna whip up these protein bars and then do my smoothie bowl. So, all right, this is a super simple, I'm gonna mix them with my hands today. I got 2 cups of oats, a half a cup of coconut, not unsweetened, a half a cup of raw pumpkin seeds, super good for us, and a 1/4 cup of dried cranberries. So we're going to mix those just a little bit, get them mixed well. And then we have, and then add, this is a cup of the protein powder, forget that. The most important part. All right, I'll mix that again. All right, that looks good. All right, now I have, this is fresh made applesauce, and you can do store-bought if you want. This is 1 apple. I just peeled and cored it, put it in a little saucepan with a little water, and then just let it simmer away so that, and then it's ready. So do that. I have 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Add this in. And then we're using cinnamon bark. And you can see on the back, well, because I've got it all mucked up, but there's a nutrition label. That is how you tell with doTERRA if it's okay to be consumed, and that is when you see that nutrition label on the back. So that's a simple way to tell. We're using 2 drops here. 1, 2. Okay, and then we're going to mix this all up. It takes a minute or 2. Make it all combine well. And that's why I'm using the gloves, because it's a little sticky. It takes a minute because that's how it's going to make it like bar consistency once we pack it into the pan. And this, this vegan protein it's a Slim Sassy product. So our Slim Sassy oils that's the great thing about Slim Sassy. It's whether you're trying to lose weight, whether you're trying to gain muscle, or just be nutritionally sound. It has great formula, great oils in it that help to at a cellular level, release the fat from the cells. Whereas, because in our world we have so many toxins and stuff, that our cells will hold on to that fat. So the Slim and Sassy formula helps with that, as well as releasing toxins and, you know, speeding the metabolism and that kind of thing. So it's a really, really great formula. Okay, we're all mixed here. I've got just a 9x13 pan lined with some parchment paper, and we're gonna press this into the bottom of it. Ooh. Slide around. And this, once we get this all pressed in here, we're going to stick it in the fridge for about an hour. And then it should be ready to cut. And then we'll have lovely little protein bars. Come over here so you can see. Well, I guess you can see it over there better. Nice little snack for the afternoon. Keep our energy rolling, but getting something good into us. So when I post this, I'll make sure I have a picture of the finished bars for you so you can see. And we'll just put this right in the fridge. All right, now we're moving on to our smoothie bowl, my smoothie bowl. So you can do this in any blender, high-powered blender. I'm going to use my NutriBullet. Any high-powered blender, probably a food processor would do the trick. Put the cover on here. We're starting with a banana. Add some nice creaminess to it. And, oh, my dog can hear a banana open from upstairs. Here you go, big guy. Or a little less than a banana. I've got a cup of blueberries. A cup of almond milk. And like I said, you can use whatever milk product you want, whether it's dairy, non-dairy, it all works. And a scoop of our vegan Slim and Sassy. 1 scoop. And this is a tablespoon of maple syrup. I'm going to use about half of that because I try to always use half of any sweetener that is in a recipe, just because you don't need that much sugar. So if I can get the cover on here, we will. Watch your ears. Beautiful little bowl. Then we can decorate it with some coconut. And a few more blueberries right on the top. Make it nice and pretty. Maybe a little dark chocolate. Pep up the morning. All right. Here it is. Yummy! Breakfast is ready. All right, guys, that's it for today. Haven't decided what I was going to do for next week. I'm behind the 8 ball. but I will put it in the notes at the bottom of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with friends, and we'll see you next week. Have a great day.